welcome back to another video. Me driving around, really just me cruising. I've been focusing in school. I've had finals, and my teacher, she gave me 100. And if I'm being honest with you, I do not deserve that 100. Like, I don't know how I got 100, because her whole class, like her class the whole year, I've been cheating. So either she feeling real courteous, or I don't know, bro. But anyways, I'm on my way to get some food, because we just got to church and I am starving, bro. I'm hungry. This video is gonna be no editing, nothing, just straight driving. So if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We have like 98% aren't subscribed, man. Y'all really hurt my feelings. But those who are subscribed, thank you. It means a lot. It means a lot to me. I've been having a lot going on. Just life, you know, man. Life could get real hectic. I was thinking Waffle House, but I ain't gonna lie. Waffle House, they have this new tax thing where if you're doing takeout, they charge you like 2%. I'm like, yeah, nah. Ever since then, I stopped rocking my Waffle House. So we're getting Zaxby's. They have a Raising Cane's here. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all really rock Raising Cane's. Man, people be riding Raising Cane's like, oh, El Oli. People be riding Raising Cane's like crazy. They be like, oh my gosh, best chicken. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna be nosy. But Raising Cane's is pretty good, to be honest. Not gonna lie. Oh, what was that? I was thinking what car I should get next. I don't know, like, cause I feel like I'm ready to move on. I don't know if I should stick with Infinity. Should go to the lights on. Oh, damn, can't. Yeah, this Infinity's old. It doesn't have, most cars like have like a switch to turn out the lights, but not this one. I thought it did. But yeah, y'all let me. Yeah, I don't know what to get next. Y'all let me know. I don't know if I should still rock with Infinity or move into a different car scene. I do love my Infinities. If I was to get an Infinity, I wanted like a Q50 Red Sport, something like that. I feel like you get the best of everything. But we are getting Zaxby's 904. Should I take the camera off when I order? Should I leave it on? I'm not gonna lie, in person, I'm a really shy dude to begin with, in general. So I feel like me going to the drive-thru with this camera on is gonna be a real, what's it called, icebreaker. So, should we do it or not? Should we do it? You know, we gotta break that. We can't be that. We can't be like that. We're gonna do it. Who cares what they say? Gotta lie. Okay. Bro, save me a spot. No way, they're closed. You're pulling on my leg. Why's that trunk open? I guess Freddy's is it. I guess Freddy it is. Dang, man, I really wanted some chicken tenders. That sucks. I don't like Zaxby's no more. It's 9:06. Y'all be eating late. My sister, she's a real, like, what do you call it when someone's like really cautious of their diet? Like, oh, don't be eating at that time. Oh, you can't eat that. But like, she at this time does not eat. Past 7, she does not eat. Supposedly it's not good for your body. Man, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat. I don't know if it's true though.
Thank you for choosing Credit Suisse.
Can I get Can I get a number 1?
You want that with ketchup, I'm sorry, not ketchup. Mustard, onion, pickle, and cheese?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you want fries, onions, or cheese first?
Fries or fries? Can you repeat that? Oh yeah, fries is fine. Can I get sweet tea lemonade? That'll be it.
Alright, it's gonna be 11:44 coming up.
Bro, that was horrible. Y'all can see. Oh my gosh, I couldn't hear. It's cause I do have that card making so much noise. Ask for a sweet tea lemonade. She said lemonade. I'll probably fix it over here. Nah, probably I am gonna fix it over here. Gotta put your foot down. As y'all can see, I still got a check engine. Manifold is not fixed yet, but we are getting it fixed. Problem is that part had a warranty on it, so we're gonna return. We can't even get the part yet, so the part should come in like in a month. So when the part does come in, we'll take it back. If the car blows between then, you know, oh well. Alright, let's get the camera looking like, so we at least like someone like YouTube, right? Is it like dragging on? Oh my gosh, I look like a monkey. But my ears are popping, my eyes are bloodshot red. My eyes are red because I'm sick. I'm sick. I can't fold, I can't fold. I rock with the peanut butter interior. A lot of people tell me they love my interior. I love it. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's very pretty. Everybody mistakes my car for a G though. Disrespect, man. It's an M45. The computer system on it is pretty good. I might do, what's it called, a should you buy? Like this car. Like, what's it called? M45. Is it a good car? Question mark. Or should you buy M45? Question mark. There you go. So yeah, I'm definitely think I'm ready to move on to a different car. The car does have 183,000 miles. It's just getting old. Bro, these people are taking mad long. They're flipping patties back there. That burger better be good. Ah, I forgot to say no cheese. I forgot I don't like cheese. Dang. Bro, it's late. It's past my bedtime. Should I just turn the camera off and just like wait and show? Nah, that's an excuse. We don't watch TikTok. Audio off.
Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where the party's at. And pump up the jam, pump it up. Why you?
Marlboro or, what's this? Marlboro or...
When's the last time you beat your meat signal?
That's crazy.
What? Dude! Like, hold on, bro.
I'll put that car up. Don't fuck me, nigga. Cause I'll put my fucking car up.
Yo, which car are you talking about that I can't pay? Wait, which one are you talking about that I can't pay? The one at 16 years old that I paid 100 grand cash? Or the one at 17 years old that I paid 200 cash? Or the one that I paid at 19 years old that I paid 250 cash to you know who? Or which one did I pay 100? Oh no, wait. Which one? What about the other one? What about the other one? What about the other one when I was 20 that I gave my mom 60 grand of a car cash? Oh, what about the house that I bought her for 500 grand cash at 15? Oh, what are we thinking? Wait, which one? Are you talking about the GT3 that I'm making monthly payments on to build my credit because I'm not a fucking idiot? Yeah.
That's crazy.
Monthly payments on to build.
Bro flexed on me in so many different ways.
Desde lejos le apuntaban con un rifle a la cabeza y cuando le disparó, güey le pegó
Is bro gonna go? No?
en una oreja al expresidente.
That's crazy.
Hey, next time be respectful and cover your mouth when you do that.
It's gonna be 11:34. Number 2.
I'm sorry, my drink, can I change it to an Arnold Palmer? Oh, chat, we do this. Yeah, it is.
Have a great rest of your day.
Okay, thank you, you too. Go, Poppy, go! Bro, I did it. I'm so proud of myself, bro. Oh, we did it! We did it! What's that one meme? We did it! We did it! Nah, bro, I'm gonna have to put that meme in the video because that meme go crazy. Alright. Should I do a mukbang? Why not? Y'all definitely need to confront your fears. That's definitely one of my fears, bro. You see how many people were just staring at me? There were so many. Bro, this motor's gonna blow if I keep driving like that. Anywho, this car's coming, so we got time. Let's see what I got. Can't see nothing, man. It's so dark. Bro, I'll show you like this. We got fries and a burger. That's basically what I got. Self-explanatory. About to head home and have to go eat. But chat, this is gonna be the end of the video for today. I haven't posted in a long time. I need to be more consistent on that. I've told myself if I was to start this YouTube channel, if I was gonna do this YouTube stuff, I will be consistent, and I'm not doing it. I'm letting myself down. But yeah, definitely conquer your fears, cause yeah, I'm a really shy person if I'm being honest. I'm not an extrovert. I'm an introvert. But I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you have a good rest of your night. Don't forget, please subscribe. I need you guys. It'll mean a lot. It means a lot to me. It makes me happy, man. It makes me happy waking up and I see like 2 more subscribers. I'll be like, oh my gosh, we did it. We made it. That's how thankful and that's how like I be checking that day. Like I go to sleep, wake up, it'll go from like 54 to like 56 subscribers. I'll be like, oh shoot, 2 subscribers. They love my content. Yeah, but yeah, no, my channel is really big, like around like POV drives and like, you know, just communicating. I want to have YouTube videos that like you could be brushing on TV, you could be playing in the background, you know, because I be doing that. I have YouTubers that I watch. Like, you know, when I be doing stuff around the house, I have a YouTube video. I have specific YouTubers. I be like, yeah, I'm gonna play them because, you know, it keeps me. I don't know if you guys are like that. Like, I have sound in the background while I'm doing stuff, and I want to be that type of YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't need too much edits for my videos to be entertaining. My videos, me myself, is the entertainer. You feel me? Like, I don't have to do so many edits for people to be like, you know, because a lot of YouTubers are like that. they rely on a lot of edits. You know, to this whole YouTube thing, there's a whole trick to it, bro. Like, you know, it's a trick on the viewer's mind. But I don't want my videos to be like that. I want my videos to be as raw, as unedited. You know, I feel like it gives you a more genuine feeling. But yeah, I hope y'all rock with me. Subscribe, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.